Welcome back. This is the second part of our Harry Potter tour, and I must say, some of my favorite exhibits are coming up ahead. Okay, first, as you can see, we are entering the Forbidden Forest. This part was so unreal, and in the ambience of the set gave me chills. In the forest, we ran into a bunch of the creatures, and I got to see one of my favorites, Buckbeak. I don't know if this video gives justification of how amazing this animatronic was, but it was so cool to see. After visiting the first part of the forest, we entered the spider section. This was so creepy, but also so cool and fun to walk through. Okay, I was blinking on the main spider's name, and I tried looking it up on Google, but it ended up showing results of the type of spiders in the movie, and it was so unsettling to look at, so I clicked out. But if you know the spider's name, let me know.
After the Forbidden Forest, you enter the platform 9 3/4, where the train that was actually used in the movie sits. You also can see the real 9 3/4 platform in London, however, we did not get a chance as our time was very limited. But this definitely is an experience to enjoy. It was so neat how you could walk in the train. Each seat section had artifacts from the movies. Although you could not sit in the section of the train, there was photo opportunities after that allowed you to be green screened into the train or flying on a broom. This was the halfway point of the tour, so you were funneled into a food court with basic foods like hot dogs, sandwiches, fries, and burgers. At this point, they also did have butterbeer, which was honestly just okay, but I definitely think it's worth it if you like souvenirs. You could also eat food outside, where there was more interactive exhibits, statues, and an entrance to Aunt Petunias' house.
The house was another extraordinary set to walk through, and I loved how they based it off of the Prisoner of Azkaban movie. Also, the food looks so good, I just wanted to eat it all. To end this video, we are walking through probably one of my favorite exhibits.
There is a part 3 coming up, so stay tuned. In that video, we see more outstanding sets and props and get to see the real-life Hogwarts castle that was used in the movies. But before we go, enjoy a mandrake getting picked up and enjoy the little scream.